Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make muffin tin liners. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a roll of parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, a pen or pencil, and a standard 12-cup muffin tin. It is important to use parchment paper that is specifically designed for baking, ensuring it is both food-safe and heat-resistant. A standard muffin cup is usually about 2 3/4 inches in diameter, which is a good reference point. Now, let's move on to preparing your paper. Take your parchment paper and carefully measure out squares that are 6 inches by 6 inches. You will need one of these perfectly sized squares for every muffin cup you intend to line. These specific dimensions are crucial because they provide just enough paper to create a well-formed liner that covers the sides and bottom of the muffin cup without being too bulky or too small. With your squares cut, it is time to shape them into liners. Place one 6-inch square of parchment paper directly into a muffin cup. Then, take a small glass or a similar round object, like a spice jar, and press it firmly into the center of the paper square. Gently push and smooth the paper against the sides and bottom of the muffin cup, ensuring it forms a snug and even fit. This technique helps create a perfectly molded liner. Congratulations! Your homemade parchment paper muffin liners are now complete and ready for use. Simply lift them out of the tin, and they are prepared to hold your favorite muffin or cupcake batter. These custom liners are fantastic for preventing your baked goods from sticking to the pan, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy the satisfaction of baking delicious treats with your own handcrafted, non-stick liners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.